Cherry bubblegum tape? Yeah. I think I tried this already.
Okay, this is a Halloween candy review. And they are reviewing their pile of candy.
People already left the video by now, probably.
That's not the point. The point is this is a very valuable opportunity for you to study while having fun. Every video is kind of like a paragraph.
This isn't fun.
Introduction, detail, give me some details, and then you have a conclusion. That's a paragraph.
This is made in China.
So what are the details? Are they made in China? Almost everything's made in China.
Good.
Ooh, bubblegum tape, good. Can you actually give that so that we can look at it at the camera? And this is random bubblegum tape. Is it made by the same makers as the real bubblegum tape?
No, or else it would say so.
What is the real foot-long gut bubblegum or something?
No, it just came in this package that was like had nothing on it.
Yeah, so it looks kind of interesting.
So what's your...
So this bubblegum tape is bubblegum tape.
7. Any comments? Tastes like orange. Oh my goodness. What are we reviewing next? Haribo? Fine. Everyone knows what Haribo tastes like.
No, but not everybody knows what you think it tastes like.
Where do I put the gum?
Spit it out. There.
Okay. No.
Scissors.
Inconvenient wrapping. No, I don't
That's
think
not. It's just that she's just like wants to make faster. Oh, nice. Man overboard. All right. What do you think? Which one did you eat? The clear one?
The pineapple one.
Okay. Can we see the wrapper, please? Oh, gosh. Another man overboard.
10.
Hello, gummy bear.
Yeah. Donut.
These are J-Nice.
These are donuts.
Are they made in Germany or something? That's why they have that odd name, Haribo.
Turkey.
Turkey? Since when they started making those in Turkey? Really? Carnauba wax. Imported by Haribo of America. Oh yeah, it's made in Turkey. I thought it was made in Germany all these years.
Wow.
Oh well. Things change.
It has a nice...
Maybe it never was made in Germany. Beeswax coating? Never knew that. But can you taste it? What's the beeswax coating for? Can you imagine?
So it's not sticky.
That's true. But also because after a while, sometimes they dry up. Have you ever had hardened gummy bears? I bet you the beeswax coating keeps the moisture in. Haven't had. Maybe that's a technological improvement. Alright, did you taste all the flavors now? Is it all good? What's your favorite color?
The yellow or the red.
Okay, so let's conclude this. What's the rating?
I already said 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10!
You didn't like my name.
That's like amazing. Then you're going to eat all of it? You know, you don't have to eat it. It's just for review, right?
Yes, my favorite one.
Okay, hold on. Stop. Don't open it yet. Next video.